Hey guys, how you guys doing?
Can
What
you say hi?
what's your name?
My name is Alicia, and
My
this
name
is
is Esther.
Esther Dirksen.
Esther. Congratulations, you won the bow. Oh my goodness, there's like 3,000 people that entered the contest and you are the winner.
I know we
Feel-
don't know what to think.
You're just like in shock. You're like just like so happy.
Yeah, we're just in shock. I was crying a few tears a while ago
That's
because this is
awesome.
really exciting.
That's so great. So yeah, tell us tell our community about yourselves. How long he's been playing and where you guys live and just more about yourselves.
Well, let's see. We live in Alaska, and so
Wow.
we're like 4 hours behind, ahead of you. Oh no, behind you. So we have to work it out when you're on your lessons, try to figure out how to get in there. Um, So the history sort of is for years as a child, it was mandatory for me to pick up the violin and play it with my dad. He was abusive. So he played sharp and flat, and I was only allowed to play along with him. And so I had no idea what I was doing. I was just like imagining all these notes I could find on my violin. Anyways, about 14 years ago, I escaped that whole situation, and I think I was born with music inside of me because I just love music, and but I put it down for 9 years and went through a lot of redemption and healing, and then of course God brought me along Esther, and we
Yeah.
found out how much we love music together, and so of course I picked up the violin up again, and my husband really wanted me to play, and Esther and my son Michael just love music. We just play music in our house, but we really hardly know what we're doing actually. And so it's been a real blessing to be able to get online and learn tips from you. I
Yeah.
think over the last 3 years. Um, so when I started trying to get the entrant in for the contest, it was like I never dreamed that we would win. I don't know. I just never won anything before, so this is like incredible.
You guys are from Alaska?
Yeah, we live in Alaska. Yep. Michael, you want to come see? Come here. You want to come say hi? So we're really excited. This is like an amazing moment.
Hi, Michael.
We went and we got on the phone and we like watched you pick, and I was like in shock when it said Esther Grace Dirksen. We were doing it together.
Oh, that's cool. So you were like all hoping you'd win, and then you're like, oh my gosh, you won.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So Michael's a violin player as well?
His favorite thing is when Mama picks up the violin. The biggest problem with me is I learned all the bad habits, putting my wrist up against this thing, and I don't know how to.
Michael,
You
here, come sit
showed
with
me
sister.
so much with keeping my
Come sit with sister. Here, go around there.
fingers in line and how to hold my bow. I held it all wrong. So I actually didn't think I could learn again because I figured I was too old. And the other thing was I figured that I would just teach my children. But then I heard you get on there and say that just about any age could learn. So you had every range of people. There's my husband.
Hi there.
This is
Hey,
us.
hey,
So yeah, I mean,
you're adding a new musical product to your home. Oh, that's cool.
That's
Is
good.
and I needed a bow.
does Dad play as well?
And
Is Dad a player?
No.
No, but I enjoy the music, and I wish I was.
he plays the drums sometimes.
So you guys live any close to any like big city in Alaska, or are you guys more outskirts or?
Well, we're 50 miles from Anchorage, Alaska. So yeah, our little village, it would probably seem like a village to you guys or to you. I don't know. It's Palmer, Alaska. So
Did Papa give you tape?
did you change the tires? Yeah. Okay.
So Esther,
So, yeah.
I'm kind of asking on the spot here, or maybe you can't, but would you be willing to play a scale or something, or a couple notes?
Except for the problem is her bow broke.
Oh, really? Oh, well, that's
It
convenient.
fell apart. The
No.
hair came out of it.
No.
Oh, no.
So she started scratching away on the violin when she was like 4.
Okay, and I heard you had like an 8 size violin. That's like really small. You're probably like thinking, yeah, look at that. That's really small.
Yeah.
So you're excited to get a new bow and violin and all that, and start learning and hanging out with mom and playing together, right? That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited to have you guys in the classes next week, Tuesday. That should be fun. I'll give you guys some good tips and technique stuff.
Yeah, so Esther's on the kids class, and I think I signed in for the fiddlers.
Oh, cool. So you have some experience doing some classical violin, or just fiddle, or both?
I actually don't know what I'm doing. I really don't.
You just need some guidance.
I mean, I can try to show you. It would be good. I play along. The only thing is I know how to play by ear, and I have a lot of people that said, come play with me, and I do. But I've never done this. Did I do this or not?
I'll back up so you can have them.
Okay. Let's see. I'm so embarrassed.
That's great. That's really good. I like the fiddle too. It looks like an old time fiddle. Nice.
I seem to only know like fiddling, but I would like to learn more classical, and I also play along with a lot of church music. So these new church songs. So it's kind of yeah.
Well, it seems like the bow is going to a great cause. So congratulations, guys. That's so great. Thank you so much for entering the contest, and hope it inspires you guys.
It's a big thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's really been fun.
Yeah. So yeah, just send me your address, and we'll get email conversation going back and forth, and yeah, and then we'll get you guys into the class on Tuesday, and yeah, obviously send you the bow. We're going.
Okay. Thanks, Michael. Thanks for all you put out for all of us. It really is amazing. And I really like the way you put on your YouTube, you put the lesson 1, 2. Makes it easier. It really helps because you can go back and rewatch a certain lesson that you learned something in.
Okay, cool. You've checked out a few of the lessons.
Oh, yeah. I've checked out. We've watched a few things. Yeah.
Nice. That's really cool. Well, nice to meet you, Esther. I hope that you continue to improve on the violin. Keep up the good work.
She's actually really brave getting on here with me. She was like, Mom, do I have to say anything? I'm like, you don't have to talk.
Yeah, and then maybe when you guys actually get the bow, we could do another hangout, and you guys could actually show me how it sounds.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll work at it.
Thanks for popping on. I feel great that we got to meet you guys. I don't always meet the people that win stuff, so it's nice, really cool that that you guys are here and I'm able to meet you.
That is cool. Thanks so much. We're so excited.
Have a great day.
All right, you too. God bless you.
Bless you.